How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. So I want to answer the question, what is the best VPN for PS4? Now, I've tested over a couple of dozen VPNs and I've narrowed it down to Express, Nord, and Surfshark as the best VPNs overall, not just for the PS4, but for any console or any other device in terms of privacy, speed, streaming and torrenting capabilities, low ping, as well as security features. These VPNs are absolutely fantastic. Of course, they all vary in budgets and features, so you can pick and choose depending on your situation and your own preferences. Now, when using a VPN, when it comes to choosing the best VPN for the PS4, you'll again want to look for one that offers fast and reliable connections, as well as strong security features and privacy features. Now, ExpressVPN is going to be the best VPN overall. For me specifically, I use it on the daily, and so that's what I would recommend. It's got the strictest of no logs policies with plenty of evidence to show for that. You've got over 3,000 servers in 94 countries. You'll be able to secure up to 5 devices per subscription. And it has the most user-friendly router application out of all the VPNs that I've tested, about 30 VPNs. No VPN has a more user-friendly router application, and you will need obviously a compatible router. Otherwise, you'll need some manual configuration in order to get it to work on your router if it's not necessarily compatible. And ExpressVPN, the support team can definitely help you with that, and they do have some blog posts that tell you all about that. But basically, the best way to do it is through a router, and that's one way to do it. And we can also do is just route connection from your PC by connecting your PC to your console through an Ethernet cable and setting it up that way. It's very easy. You can just go to, so if I turn on the VPN right here, the ExpressVPN TN driver will become available. I'll just go to settings and go to sharing, allow other networks to use the network here, and just click on Ethernet, because allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection. And in this case, my internet connection is coming from Ethernet, so I'm just going to select that. And once I've selected that right here, I can just click OK and I'll be good to go. That's basically how you can take connection or route your connection from your PC to your PS4 or 5. And obviously you can also do that with Nord and Surfshark, but I just like to use ExpressVPN because it's just much easier to use, especially if you're using it on your router. And you can even get a router that already has ExpressVPN pre-installed, and you can find that. So if we just go to a router here, you should be able to find it. So I think this is it, the AirCove, ExpressVPN AirCove. Their own VPN router, and they do have a bunch others that are recommended, but the AirCove is the one that has ExpressVPN pre-installed. And installing it yourself, if you get some of the other routers, there are other routers, by the way, recommended, installing it is really not that much of an issue, honestly. Okay, so let's say you're looking for some other VPN. ExpressVPN is overall the best in terms of privacy. It's the most reliable and consistent, especially when it comes to streaming services, and it's the easiest to use. But if you're looking for more of a well-rounded option that offers a whole bunch of bonus features for a very reasonable price, the NordVPN is a great option. You've got over 5,400 or 500 servers in 60 countries, and you'll be able to secure up to 6 devices per subscription. And it's just a very good VPN overall. It's a lot of value for the money. Now, if you're still looking for the most budget-friendly option that gets the job done at the cheapest possible cost, then you can certainly go with Surfshark. It's a great option. If you don't really want to spend as much, but you still want to get these premium features, you don't want to sacrifice on any of the features, such as, let's say a couple of specialty servers, the kill switch, split tunneling. You also have an ad blocker and a couple of features that'll help you if you're in a censorship-heavy country. You've got over 3,200 servers in 100 countries, and you'll virtually be able to secure an unlimited number of devices with just a single subscription. Usually, to be able to do that, you'll have to install your VPN on a router so that everything that's connected to that router will naturally be secured by the VPN. But with Surfshark, you can just share your account with as many devices or friends or family members as you would like, and you'll be good to go. So that is pretty much it for this video. These are some of the best VPNs that you can use. And if you'd like to give them a try yourself, you'll find links in the description down below if you want to claim an exclusive discount. And besides the discount, you do have a 30-day money-back guarantee in case you're not satisfied for whatever reason. You'll also find full reviews if you'd like to learn a little bit more about them. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful